Imagine a world where cars aren't built, but sculpted. For over a century, Bugatti has defied mass production, transforming metal and leather into automotive masterpieces. From the pioneering Type 13 to the breathtaking Mistral, discover the secret artistry behind every stitch, every engine part, and every curve, a level of handcraftsmanship you simply won't find anywhere else. Today, we're journeying into the heart of Molsheim, France, the birthplace of automotive legends. This isn't just a factory. It's an atelier, a studio where engineering meets artistry. We'll peel back the layers of Bugatti's history to understand how a legacy of perfection has been passed down through generations, culminating in the hypercars we know today. Let's rewind to the beginning, to 1910 and the Bugatti Type 13. Ettore Bugatti, a man obsessed with both form and function, laid the groundwork for everything to come. Even then, the philosophy was clear: lightweight, powerful engines, and impeccable build quality. The Type 13 wasn't just assembled. It was meticulously crafted. Each component was designed and finished with a level of detail unheard of for its time. This dedication to precision wasn't just for show. It translated directly to performance, making the Type 13 a giant killer on the racetrack. Ettore famously said, "Nothing is too beautiful, nothing is too expensive." This mantra wasn't about extravagance. It was about an uncompromising pursuit of the absolute best. This ethos reached its zenith with models like the Type 35, one of the most successful racing cars of all time, and the legendary Type 57 Atlantic. Look at the Atlantic. Its riveted spine wasn't just a stylistic choice. It was a functional solution born from using a magnesium alloy that was difficult to weld. Instead of hiding it, John Bugatti turned it into a design icon. This is the essence of Bugatti. Engineering challenges are transformed into artistic statements. Every curve of the bodywork was hand-hammered over wooden bucks, a process that took thousands of hours. The artisans weren't just panel beaters. They were sculptors, shaping metal with a feel and intuition that no machine could replicate. Now let's fast forward to the modern era, to the revival of the brand under the Volkswagen Group. When the Veyron was conceived, the mission was audacious: to create a car with over 1,000 horsepower, capable of more than 400 kilometers per hour, that was also a luxurious, comfortable daily driver. This was a feat that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in automotive engineering. And the handcraftsmanship? It was elevated to a whole new level. Step inside the Molsheim atelier today, and you won't see a moving assembly line. Instead, you'll see a pristine, almost clinical environment where technicians, each a specialist in their field, work on individual cars in dedicated bays. It's a quiet, focused process. A single Bugatti is built from thousands of individual parts, and the assembly is done almost entirely by hand. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the W16 engine. This 8-liter quad-turbocharged marvel is an engineering masterpiece in its own right. Assembled by a dedicated team of specialists, the process takes over a week. Each of its more than 3,500 parts is inspected and fitted with microscopic precision. The tolerances are so fine that they are measured in microns. Before it's installed in a car, every single engine is run on a test bench for hours, simulating extreme conditions to ensure it delivers the flawless performance Bugatti promises. Then there's the chassis. The monocoque, the car's structural core, is made from carbon fiber, the same material used in Formula One cars and aerospace. Creating this single piece is a labor-intensive process involving layering sheets of carbon fiber into a mold by hand, before it's cured under immense pressure and heat. The result is a structure that is incredibly light yet astoundingly strong and rigid, the perfect foundation for a hypercar. Attaching the front and rear subframes to this monocoque is a critical step, done with titanium bolts, each one tightened by hand to a precise torque specification to ensure absolute structural integrity. Now let's move to the exterior, the skin of the car. The paint process alone is a testament to Bugatti's obsession with perfection. Each car can receive up to 8 layers of lacquer. Between each layer, the surface is sanded and polished by hand. This can take weeks to complete. If the car has an exposed carbon fiber finish, the process is even more demanding. The weave of the carbon fiber must align perfectly across every single panel. If even one panel's weave is slightly off, it's discarded and the process starts again. This is why the clear-coated carbon fiber finishes on Bugattis are so mesmerizing. It's a visual guarantee of perfect craftsmanship. The famous Bugatti C-Line, A defining design feature of modern models like the Chiron and Devo is milled from a single piece of aluminum. It's polished by hand for hours upon hours until it achieves a flawless, mirror-like finish. There are no shortcuts here. Inside the cabin, the artistry continues. The leather used for the interior is sourced from a specific breed of cattle that graze in high-altitude pastures, free from insect bites that could mar the hides. Only the most perfect sections are chosen. A team of artisans then meticulously cuts, stitches, and fits the leather to every surface. The steering wheel alone takes a specialist a full day to hand-stitch. The switchgear isn't plastic. It's often milled from solid blocks of aluminum, each piece polished and finished by hand. The feeling of turning a dial or pressing a button in a Bugatti is a tactile experience, designed to convey quality and permanence. Every single stitch is checked for consistency and perfection. If a single stitch is out of place, the entire piece is redone. This level of detail extends to places you might never even see. Every screw, every bracket, every wiring harness is installed and organized with an almost surgical neatness. The philosophy is that if it carries the Bugatti Macaron, it must be perfect, whether it's a visible design element or a hidden mechanical component. And this brings us to the latest chapter in the Bugatti story, the W16 Mistral. As the final road-going model to feature the legendary W16 engine, it's a celebration of everything the brand has achieved. It's an open-top roadster, which presented new engineering and design challenges. The entire monocoque had to be re-engineered to maintain structural rigidity without a roof. The design itself is a beautiful blend of past and present, with cues taken from historic Bugattis like the Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid. The craftsmanship on the Mistral is, as you'd expect, extraordinary. The intricate head and taillight designs are works of art in themselves. The interior features woven leather on the door panels, a technique that is both new and a nod to the brand's heritage of bespoke luxury. Each Mistral will be a unique creation, co-created with its owner. The level of personalization is almost limitless, from custom colors and finishes to unique embroidery and inlays. This is the ultimate expression of automotive haute couture. So when you see a Bugatti, you're not just looking at a car. You're looking at the culmination of thousands of hours of human skill, passion, and dedication. You're seeing a lineage of artistry that stretches back over a century, from the nimble Type 13 to the monumental Mistral. It's a world where components aren't just bolted together on a line. They are carefully joined by hand. Where metal isn't just pressed, it's sculpted. And where a car isn't just manufactured, it's brought to life. This is the art of Bugatti, a relentless, uncompromising pursuit of perfection that sets it apart from every other car maker on the planet. It's a testament to the enduring power of human craftsmanship in an increasingly automated world. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of Bugatti. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive artistry, please hit that like button and subscribe for more stories from the world of incredible machines. Let us know in the comments which classic Bugatti is your favorite. Until next time, stay passionate.